Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Rakuten Advertising is a global performance marketing platform that connects brands with consumers. Through its expansive network of affiliate marketing, programmatic advertising, and influencer marketing solutions, it enables brands to reach their target audiences efficiently by leveraging data-driven insights and innovative technologies, fostering meaningful connections and driving measurable results. 1. Sign up and explore. Register for a Rakuten Advertising account. Explore their platform. Understand their services and get familiar with their interface. 2. Select your niche. Determine the niche or industry you want to focus on. Choose products or services that align with your interests or expertise. 3. Research advertisers and products. Browse through Rakuten's extensive list of advertisers. Research their products, services, commission rates, and promotional offers. 4. Create quality content. Develop engaging content relevant to your chosen niche. This could be blog posts, videos, social media content, or reviews that resonate with your audience. 5. Join programs. Apply to join relevant affiliate programs within Rakuten Advertising that align with your niche and audience. Be mindful of the terms, commission rates, and promotional resources offered by each program. 6. Promote with tracking links. Obtain unique affiliate tracking links from Rakuten for the products or services you wish to promote. Integrate these links into your content for tracking purposes. 7. Drive traffic. Utilize various marketing channels to drive traffic to your content. This can include SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, or influencer collaborations. 8. Engage your audience. Foster a relationship with your audience. Engage with them through comments, forums, or social media platforms to build trust and credibility. 9. Analyze and optimize. Monitor your performance regularly. Analyze metrics provided by Rakuten Advertising to understand what strategies are working and optimize your campaigns for better results. 10. Scale and expand. As you gain traction and understand what works best, scale up your efforts. Explore new products, audience segments, or marketing channels to expand your reach and increase your earnings potential.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.